Hey, fifth grade. Today, for your weekly word study lesson, we're going to pick up where we left off yesterday during day 2. You did the independent word study process for 2 of this week's words. We're going to complete that today. We're going to do the rest of the words on our list. So, you're going to take the paper where you did yesterday's words, and you're going to be writing on that as we do each of these steps. Now I'm going to run through these steps for one word, and then you can replay the video and just listen to it for each additional word, or you can just use the attached procedure for weekly word study, or you can use the one in your folder to walk you through each step. But it's very important that you do each step the way that it describes, because this is a brain-based process for visual memorization. So order is important, and doing it correctly is also important. So we're going to jump right in. We're on your third word, and the first step is to read your word, look at it, and say it. Please do that now. Step 2 says spell the word to yourself. Touch each letter with your pencil and say the letter softly aloud to yourself. Identify the tricky parts of the word and circle it. Please do that now. Okay, step 3 says close your eyes, see the word in your mind, say each of the individual letters softly aloud to yourself. Please do that now. All right, step 4 says now put your muscle memory to work. Carefully and slowly print the word in the next 3 columns and say each of the individual letters to yourself as you write it. When you come to the tricky part of the word, say those letters louder and write them darker. Please do this now and make sure that you do this 3 times in the rewrite columns. Okay, hopefully you're done. If not, you can just pause this video and finish before pushing play and continuing to listen to the steps. Next step is probably your favorite. It's the part where you take a break for 4 or 5 minutes to give your long-term memory time to process the look of the word, its letters, and their order. Leave behind your spelling and do something else for those minutes. Read, do other homework, watch TV, or listen to the radio. So go ahead and push pause now. All right, we're back and we're ready for step 6. Cover the correct spelling with your hand and print the word in the spell column. So you're printing the word you just worked on in the spell column. Do that now. Proofread. Check the word you just wrote letter for letter against the original back and forth using the tip of your pencil. Please do this now. If you spelled the word correctly, put a star in the final column and go on to the next word on the word study sheet. If you misspelled it, put a check mark in the final column and repeat this process, steps 1 through 6, this time printing the word in the spell again row. All right, so I am not going to walk you through this process again. You'll just have to rewatch the video if you want me to walk you through it. for your next word, and that's perfectly fine if you do. But that's the beauty of having the video to go along with it. I am going to walk you through very quickly what you're going to do when you have finished your weekly word study sheet. That means that you've done those 8 steps for every single word on the word study sheet. So you're going to go up here to your work and click on the document that has your name on it. Then you're going to go to the picture button and insert an image from your camera. Then you're going to hold up your word study page. You can see mine is not finished, but yours should be. You're going to click the camera button and then click insert, and then you'll be able to turn this in. So I'll bring you back here. You'll click the turn in button and you're all done after that. I love and miss you. I hope you're well. If you need to listen to the steps for the rest of your words, you can do that now.